Today's video, I will be reviewing the presents you can get from the Elephant Passage. As you see, my cute little elephant is here, and let's go to a bit of sweets. I will, maybe in another video, I will be showing the prizes from the actual adventure, member and non-member. But we're doing passages now. I did get a Rare Fox hat from this, so I hope I get some more good stuff. And yes, sorry again for any strange sounds, and I don't really care if I pick up any sweets. Maybe it will get me the good luck, I don't know. This is like all a big maze. I like the baby phantoms. I call them black dots with eyeballs. Anyway, here's the Elephant Passage. I suggest you go in when the thing is totally down. And I got a necklace. Okay, I will keep on doing this and show you all the gifts. Sorry, I forgot to record, but in the last thing, I got a blue clover blanket. So let me just show right now. And yes, I did sneakily go to the horse party to get myself some elf bracelets. So here it is, and here's my tiara and mech, and yeah. So I will do one more opening of the passage, and then I will go on to my doggy, and oops, I will go to my doggy for another video, and then my cat. These two awesome peoples. So yeah. Here it is, my last present. Oh my gosh. I am totally keeping this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so happy. And thanks for watching, and in the next video you will see me being my doggy. So thanks for watching.